Autel MaxiSys Ultra S2 versus Ultra. Full comparison with SGW Unlock explained. Hey there, friends. Hussein here, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, the place where we break down diagnostic tools so simply that even your garage cat could probably follow along. Quick pit stop before we roll. This video is purely for education and information. No copyright infringement intended. All rights to their respective owners. And please always follow manufacturer rules and local laws when you're working on vehicles. Now let's spark things up with a question. If you had to choose between the Autel MaxiSys Ultra S2 and the original Autel MaxiSys Ultra, which one would you trust more for long-term use in your workshop? Drop your bet in the comments. I'll reveal my view at the end. And hey, we're shooting for a massive 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within 24 hours. So smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and hype this video in the comments. It's fun, free, and it shoots our video up the leaderboard. Let's get rolling. So what's the real difference between the Ultra S2 and the Ultra? Both are flagship diagnostic tools from Autel, and both carry serious weight in the automotive world. But when you dig into hardware, software, cloud services, and security gateway unlocks, some clear distinctions pop up. Let's start with hardware. The Autel MaxiSys Ultra comes with a Samsung 8-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and 256 GB of storage. It runs Android 11 and has a 12.7-inch display with sharp resolution. You'll also find dual USB ports, HDMI, SD card support, an audio jack for microphones, dual speakers, GPS, and all the essentials you'd expect. It's fast, reliable, and well-balanced for most workshop needs. Now, the Ultra S2 steps it up with a Qualcomm 8-core processor, a whopping 12 GB of RAM, and double the storage at 512 GB. It ships with Android 13 and features a slightly larger 13.7-inch display. The resolution is different, 2176 by 1600 compared to the ultra-sharper 2732 by 2048, but in practical use, the Ultra S2 focuses on smoother performance in heavy-duty scenarios. It also supports DC fast charging, which the Ultra doesn't. And here's a kicker. The S2's lower computer integrates a more advanced Maxi-Flash VCMI2 and can even connect to a second Wi-Fi network, unlike the original Ultra. Onto the software side. The MaxiSys Ultra supports full diagnostics, online programming, online coding, hidden feature activation, and a wide variety of special functions for brands like Mercedes, BMW, Mini, Audi, Porsche, and VW. It offers Data Stream 2.0 and Topology Map 2.0, which are intuitive and cut down the learning curve for new users. The Ultra S2, however, takes everything a notch higher. It introduces Data Stream 3.0 and Topology Map 3.0 with richer visuals and expanded data points. It also supports high-voltage system diagnosis without needing extra EV hardware. Plus, the S2 unlocks new features like vehicle identification directly from the main interface, digital vehicle detection, and even an AI voice assistant to make your workflow smoother. On the programming side, its offline support extends to more brands beyond Benz, BMW, and Mini, covering names like Nissan GDR, Infiniti, Hyundai, Kia, Subaru, and more. Moving to cloud services and extended functions, both tools support remote expert, report management, oscilloscope functions, multimeter compatibility, four-wheel alignment, and J2534 and RP1210 standards. But the Ultra S2 upgrades the oscilloscope to version 3.0 for even deeper diagnostic capability. Both can handle DoIP, CAN-FD, auto-VIN, pre- and post-scans, and support extended accessories like EV boxes, battery testers, and endoscopes. And then comes the all-important security gateway unlocks. Both the Ultra and Ultra S2 support FCA gateway unlocks, Renault, Nissan, VAG SFD, and even Benz AutoAuth in the US regions. So on this front, they're equally powerful and future-ready. So how do you decide? If you're running a repair shop on a budget but still want flagship-level performance, the MaxiSys Ultra makes a lot of sense. It's cost-effective, has robust hardware, strong software, and supports a wide range of vehicles and functions. But if you're aiming for cutting edge, the Ultra S2 is clearly the future. With upgraded hardware, AI integration, advanced offline programming support, and next-gen data visualization, it's designed for workshops that don't just want reliability, but want the very latest in diagnostic technology. To wrap it up, the Ultra is dependable and budget-friendly, while the Ultra S2 is the premium, future-proof powerhouse. Choose Ultra for stability and value. Choose Ultra S2 if you want to stay ahead with AI and next-gen features. And now to answer the question I asked at the beginning. Between the two, I personally lean toward the Ultra S2 simply because of the expanded offline programming and AI assistant. It feels more future-proof, especially as cars become more complex. But what about you? Would you go for cost-effectiveness or bleeding-edge features? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one. Before I sign off, here's a fun fact. Did you know the very first car diagnostic systems in the 1960s used nothing more than flashing light codes before OBD was born? Imagine trying to figure out a modern EV battery fault with just blinking lights. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. Don't forget, we're pushing for 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in 24 hours. Subscribe if you haven't, share this with your fellow technicians, and drop some hype in the comments. It's free, it's fun, and it helps us climb the charts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep diagnosing, and keep Baabji Motors growing strong.